Okay. 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 So, are you suffering from same problem? It might be a TMJ joint dysfunction. TMJ joint dysfunction is basically a problem in your opening and closing of your mouth, which is taken care by your TMJ joint. So, when there is an articular disc present between the joints, so if there is a dysfunction or a subluxation of this disc, either anterior or posterior, you'll get a TMJ joint problem. So, what are the symptoms? Symptoms will be clicking or popping, okay, when you're opening or closing the mouth. Then there will be a deviation like this, or there will be a pain around this area, generally radiating till your ear or till your head. So patient will complain of headache and ear pain, or sometimes neck pain. It might radiate down here. So if you feel that you are suffering from the same problem, you can get it checked by your dentist, your general physician, or you can visit a physiotherapy center. A physiotherapist will assess and examine your jaw area and will give you appropriate treatment. Now in physiotherapy, we have different types of techniques to attend to your jaw pain. So you can visit a physiotherapy center near you. Thank you.